Number 1. Halibut. Protein payout, 3 ounces, 77 calories, 16 grams protein. You already knew fish was rich in protein, but you might be surprised to learn that halibut tops fiber-rich oatmeal and vegetables in the satiety department. The Satiety Index of Common Foods, an Australian study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, ranks it the number 2 most filling food, bested only by boiled potatoes for its fullness factor. A separate Australian study that compared the satiety of different animal proteins found a nutritionally similar white fish, flake, to be significantly more satiating than beef and chicken. Satiety following the white fish meal also declined at a much slower rate. Study authors attribute the filling factor of white fish like halibut to its impressive protein content and influence on serotonin, one of the key hormones responsible for appetite signals. Number 2. Wild salmon. Protein payout, 3 ounces, 121 calories, 17 grams protein. Don't let salmon's relatively high calorie and fat content fool you. Studies suggest the oily fish may be one of the best for weight loss. In fact, it makes our list of the fatty foods that will help you lose weight. In one study, participants were divided into groups and assigned one of 3 equicaloric weight loss diets that included no seafood, the control group, lean white fish, or salmon. Everyone lost weight, but the salmon eaters had the lowest fasting insulin levels and a marked reduction in inflammation. Another study in the International Journal of Obesity found that eating 3 5-ounce servings of salmon per week for 4 weeks as part of a low-calorie diet resulted in approximately 2.2 pounds more weight loss than following an equip-calorie diet that didn't include fish. Wild salmon is leaner than farmed, which is plumped up on fish meal, and it's also proven to be significantly lower in cancer-linked PCBs. So go wild, literally. This is a protein-rich fish you don't want to miss. Number 3. Light canned tuna. Protein payout, 3 ounces, 73 calories, 16 grams protein. Tuna or to not? That is the question. As a primo source of protein and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, canned light tuna is one of the best and most affordable, especially from your belly. One study in the Journal of Lipid Research showed that omega-3 fatty acid supplementation had the profound ability to turn off abdominal fat genes. And while you'll find 2 types of fatty acids in cold water fish and fish oils, DHA and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, researchers say DHA can be 40 to 70% more effective than EPA at downregulating fat genes in the abdomen, preventing belly fat cells from expanding in size. But what about the mercury? Mercury levels in tuna vary by species. Generally speaking, the larger and leaner the fish, the higher the mercury level. Bluefin and albacore rank among the most toxic, according to a study in Biology Letters. But canned chunk light tuna, harvested from the smallest fish, is considered a low mercury fish and can and should be enjoyed 2 to 3 times a week, or up to 12 ounces, according to the FDA's most recent guidelines. Number 4. Pacific cod. Protein payout, 3 ounces, 70 calories, 15 grams protein. Fish and chips won't help you lose weight, at least not out of the fryer. But research suggests a regular serving of Pacific cod, the fish that's typical of fish sticks, may keep you stick thin. One study in the journal Nutrition, Metabolism and Cardiovascular Diseases found that eating 5 servings of cod per week as part of a low-calorie diet for 8 weeks resulted in an extra 3.8 pounds of weight loss compared to a diet with the same amount of calories but no fish.